History isn't just written in books. It's forged in steel and weathered by time. Deep beneath the ruins of a forgotten castle, a protector of the realm lies in silence. Submerged for 700 years, the water has been both a tomb and a witness. Every scar on this steel tells a story of a battle fought long ago.
We must dismantle it piece by piece, respecting the original craftsman's work.
The corrosion is deep. The iron has almost returned to the earth. Removing the decay reveals the strength that remains.
Science meets history. The chemical bath neutralizes the oxidation process,
reshaping the silhouette. Every hammer blow must be precise.
The heart of the shield is the wood. Strength and flexibility are key.
protecting the new wood from the moisture of the next few centuries.
The leather provides the grip and the finishing touch of a true knight's gear.
Bonding the old world with the new. Steel and wood together again.
Each rivet is a heartbeat, securing the legacy. The shine returns, the reflection of a warrior.
Tested. Proven. Ready for another century.
Another shadow brought back into the light.
Restore motion. Reclaiming history.